Welcome back. How many times have you heard people discuss the dangers of heaters in a van?
What's up, guys? Grand rising, grand evening, whatever time it is where you are. So, as I promised you, I will come back and show you once I got my heater. I will show you what it looks like and everything like that. And the lighting is not that great because it is gotten dark outside. But I wanted to show you what it looks like. I'm going to unbox it. Came in the box from Amazon. Let's see what we have. Got my vitamins that I ordered. Some magnesium. And the box is inside. So, hopefully, this works. Alright, so this is how it came packaged. This is the stand that the propane bottle goes in. So that's what that looks like. And it has these feet on the back. Let me see if I can get you more into some light. These are the feet. And I guess you pull them out. So now they are sitting out like that. So you can sit your propane bottle in there. And then it comes with the small box. Let me see if I can get this video better. Hold on. Okay, I think that's a little bit lighter. Here is the case that the piece that goes on top of your propane bottle fits in. And so this is what it looks like. You see inside it has that little, this is where your fire, I guess, contains, and then your hookup and the adjustment for the amount of gas. And this is the starter button right here. See, it clicks. So and it comes with a little tool, a little wrench. An Allen wrench. And I guess that's the flange. I guess that's what you call it. So I will have to read the instructions. Let's see if I can get my lights on brighter. They're on 100. There, that's going to help a little bit. Okay. So, instructions. Screw the adapter to the heater. Screw the gas tank to the adapter. Turn on the valve and press the piece, unscrewing the adapter with the wrench. Disconnect the gas when not in use. So, I guess they're saying to take this and screw that on here. And then screw the gas can on to this. Let me get a gas can. I actually got a four pack from Walmart. I wonder if this hose works. This is a hose from my stove, but I guess you wouldn't need it because it's got its own stand. So scratch that. Alright, so here is the gas can. And so I'm guessing this screws on to the gas can. Like so. And I was going to light this outside, but it is dark. So make sure it's screwed on tight, I guess. And then put it into the holder. These boxes. Alright. So I guess you don't have to tighten it that much. It has an instant igniter. These instructions are more detailed, but it's a different stand on these. It's not this little thing with the feet. Oh man. So let me see if I can put you down here. Alright, I guess you guys can see it now. So make sure that's tight. And then it has the ignition. And there she goes. You can turn it up. And you can turn it back down. And there she goes. And I can feel the heat. So supposedly these work, I think it's 6 hours on low and 4 hours on high. So I could stay in here and have heat for at least 6 hours on one tank. So that's the reason why I wasn't trying to get the let me move y'all down. I got a glare. I wasn't trying to get these because of the amount of propane that it's going to take to keep it lit. So but it's cranking out some heat now. And I'm not sure if this one has That's about the lowest. Oops. I'm going to turn it off. So that's about the lowest setting that it has. And I'm not sure if this one has the automatic shut off like the Mr. Buddy one does. I don't know why I have this glare. But the Mr. Buddy one has an automatic shut off, and it has an oxygen sensor on the big one, but I don't think that's the case on the small one. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys that. And I haven't eaten my dinner yet, so I think I'm going to order something, because I have a little rice cooker, and I was going to make me some noodles in the rice cooker in here, but I already took it to storage, so I don't want to drag something else out of the house and, you know, go through all that. So I think it's just easier if I order something and go pick it up. So that's what I might just go in the house and get something to eat. I'm trying to think what I have. I got the noodles, and I have some chicken. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go in there and eat. And then I'll get myself together, my little routine or whatever, and come back out here and sleep out here tonight. I'm just putting everything back in the box and putting it out of the way. And this one is going in the trash. And this light needs new batteries because it is dull, and it's usually super bright. I got this from $1.25 store. It's usually super bright. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll get up with y'all later. I'll let you know how it works. I guess I should have timed it to see how long it works on low, because this is actually low and it is cranking out some heat. But I'm not going to leave it on while I go in the house. So I'm going to put my window covers in the back, which I don't need to, because I'm in my sister's backyard and there's nothing back there but woods. But I'm still going to put them up. And I'll put the 2 window covers on the side, and then I'll come back in here after I eat my dinner and chill in here for a while, and then go to sleep. And I'll let y'all know how it turns out tomorrow. Alright, peace out.